Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer insights with Google Analytics step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the property you want to analyze. Select Reports from the left-hand menu. Click on Audience to explore demographic insights. Examine the Overview section for a snapshot of your audience's characteristics. Drill down into demographics to understand age and gender distributions. Next, access the Interests section for information on user interests. Review the various categories to tailor your offerings effectively. Next, navigate to the Acquisition section to assess how customers find you. Select all traffic and then Source/Medium for detailed insights. Identify which channels are driving the most traffic to your site. Now, move to the Behavior tab to analyze how users interact with your content. Click on Site Content and explore all pages to see your top-performing pages. Use this data to pinpoint which content resonates with your audience. Now, access the Conversions section to track goal completions. Set up and review goals that align with your business objectives. Analyze e-commerce if applicable, to delve deeper into purchase behaviors. Utilize segments to compare different user groups for targeted insights. Create custom segments to isolate behaviors of high-value customers. Leverage Google Analytics real-time feature to see live user activity. Monitor traffic spikes and user engagement as they happen. Incorporate findings into your marketing strategies for maximum effectiveness. Finally, regularly check these insights and adjust your approach as needed. Establish a reporting schedule to consistently review your analytics data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.